Hi, everybody. I'm Mauro Manente. I'm co-founder and CTO of Latitudo 40, an Italian startup that works with satellite images and AI for climate action planning in cities. 90% of urban areas are exposed to pollution, floods, and extreme heat. This means that city managers must plan their actions to fight climate change now. And to do this, they need data. And they need data over their entire territory, starting from the past to understand the present and plan the future. And they need data continuously updated. So we created a dashboard based on satellite imagery, AI, and geospatial analysis that is able to provide useful information to cities like carbon sequestration capacity or urban cooling indexes in the easiest and fastest way. Cities like Barcelona, Naples, and Turin choose us because we are faster in providing data, we allow to save money, we have a worldwide coverage and access to an historical archive up to 20 years, and we are really easy to use. Our customers are cities or software integrators or consulting companies that are already providing data to cities. Our subscription fee is based on the type of services for monitoring, the size of the area to monitor, and on the update frequency. In 2021, we got almost 400K in revenues with 7 European cities. This year, we want to add 30 new cities and start to go outside EU. Arriving in the USA market in 2023 and start with a new revenue stream from the InsurTech and PropTech market, and reaching the goal of 1,500 cities in 2030 with a potential revenue of 100 million euros per year. We are 4 founders and working together since more than 10 years. And with us, there are more than 9 members we are really proud of. In 2021, we raised almost 500K, and now we opened a new round of 1.5 million that will be dedicated to team increase, product development, and obviously to sales and marketing activities. Thank you so much, and I will be really happy to answer your questions.
And thank you very much. Very efficient on the timing as well. 2 minutes 45, nicely delivered. Again, I'm neutral. I'm just referencing the timing aspect. So good on that. Let's see what kind of questions the jury has. Again, jury, you just raise your hand. You know how that works by now. And then we'll be able to answer whatever questions we have. There's a question by Alfredo.
Perfect. Hi, Mauro. Thank you for the presentation. A quick question: what is your USP that really distinguishes from your competitors, be it Up42 or Space Now or some of the others?
Yeah, thank you for the question, Alfredo. Basically, the competitors you are naming are focused on offering data to experts, to technical people. We are providing information, not data, actionable insights to who has no need to be an expert of Earth observation or satellite images or whatever. We are providing the information that they need, and probably as we call a downstream sector in the space market. There's really few competition in the city planning using Earth observation from what I know.
Perfect. Thank you, Mauro.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And we have time for one more question by our jury. If there's something you need to find out, if there's something which you still consider unclear. You have 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1.5, 1. There's another question by Alfredo. Or did you just forget to lower your hand?
Maybe a follow-up question. From your experiences, I believe you mentioned that one of your main clients really was working with government entities and government bodies. How difficult is it, and how much does this slow your sales pipeline and sales processes?
As our customers clusters are two, directly with cities, it takes more or less from 3 up to 6 months to close a contract that usually lasts not less than 24 months. When we work with the software integrators, we already have, let me say, a sort of frame agreement where they are using our information, using us to provide this information to their already consolidated customers. So there are two different selling cycles. Obviously, with the software integrators or consulting companies, this means we are faster, and this happens once, and then we move to the next partner.
Thank you. And sorry to jump in. Thank you. And we also have a question from the audience. And that question is, what type of satellite do you collect your data with, and with what dimensions?
Yeah. Basically, we use institutional and commercial providers. Institutional, like a European Space Agency or NASA, that are used for our first analysis of the land. Then we use commercial providers, and we have agreement more or less with all the commercial providers at the moment in the market, using different spatial resolution, so up to 50 centimeters. And in terms of size of the image, it depends on the satellite. More or less, one image from European Space Agency can be more than 100 square kilometers. So an Italian city will be covered.
Sweet. Thank you very much. Thank you for your pitch.
Daniel.
Always a pleasure meeting you, and I'll be happy to meet you sometime in Italy. I'll take you up on that offer. I like that idea a lot.